Hello and welcome, this is Paul Photography with episode 21 of 1 minute shooting ideas for every tiny home studio. This time we want to break the rules of gravity. Me leaning against the wall and the light sources are hanging horizontally. Let's jump right into it. To build the scenery, I put my grey background to the back and my black background to the floor. To highlight the background, I place one of my strobes with a standard reflector that gives me a nice light cone. As a key light, I mount my second strobe on a light stand with a boom arm. I have to put some extra weight on the other side to balance it. Now I just need to set up my background's framework to place the hanging light source to the right spot. After you're shooting, take some extra shots of the hanging light source in various positions. Put everything together in Photoshop, give it a 90-degree rotation and illuminate the lights. Paul, this is your shot.